This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Wow. Wow. This is impressive. 100% impressed. Today we're taking a look at this tripod. It's got face tracking stand. Ooh, this is nice. It actually feels nice in my hand as well. Fully adjustable. Yeah, this is really nice. You can also mount a GoPro on here or something you want. Look how tall this is. So I'm 5'9" and it's higher than me. It's actually impressive. So this works great for a handheld tripod. Also works great for just simply a stationary tripod. Yeah, I'm very impressed. Yes. Whole way around. Now we're gonna come close. It might lose track of us. No, this thing is actually very impressive. Now, this might be one of my top 10, top 15 favorite items of 2024. Okay, so far away, it has trouble from this distance. Let's see here. Okay. So from here, it's good. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13 to 14 feet. It can recognize me. It seems like a little further past that it had trouble. So it's still okay. Okay, so about 13 feet seems to be its max limit. Now, probably it depends on different scenarios, like if the sun's shining, depends on all that stuff. But it's a good just general rule of thumb. 13 feet and closer, it's got no problem with. 13 feet is pretty far away. And you guys saw me, you know, quick movements, it's very good. Now, just moving my head quick, it has trouble, but your whole body, so moving your body. So I'm impressed. I'm absolutely impressed. This is definitely one of my favorite items of 2024, 100%. Very impressed, very.